When branding for small businesses, start small. When starting your new small business, it is okay to start small when it comes to the branding process. Initially, you must define your mission, vision, and the guidelines of your brand. To create your business's foundation, you must establish who you are and where you're going with it. So I recommend not to skip this step. How to write the best mission statement. The mission statement represents the here and now of your business. An effective way to create a good mission statement is by asking yourself the following questions. What problems does your small brand solve for its customers? What is the impact that your business has on your employees? What does your business do for its owner? How does your business affect the surrounding community? What benefits does your business provide to the world? Once you can answer these questions, you can create your mission statement, putting together 3 to 6 sentences. How to write the best vision statement. You must bear in mind that your vision statement must refer to the future. It translates into the benefits that your business wants to give people. An effective way to create a good vision statement is by asking yourself the following questions. What is the impact that your business wants to achieve in the community? How does my small business interact with customers? What is the business culture? How to create the guiding principles of your business. You must understand the guiding principles of your business as the creed of your company. It is the essence that represents it. Here the reader is explained why integrity is a word that describes your business. For example, you can say that being honest with your customers represents something fundamentally of your business.
Yes!
After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.